Did you know how honeybees make honey? It's not just a sweet delight. It's one of nature's most fascinating miracles. Honey is not made from pollen, it's made from nectar. Nectar is a sweet liquid hidden deep inside flowers, attracting bees with its sugary charm. Flowers hide their nectar in such a way that the bee must brush against the pollen to reach it. And when the bee moves to another flower, this pollen is transferred. That's how pollination happens, a vital process for plants to grow and reproduce. The honeybee uses its tiny tongue to sip nectar and stores it in a special stomach. Once full, it returns to the hive and passes the nectar to a younger worker bee. The nectar is then passed mouth to mouth from one bee to another until it reaches a bee that deposits it into an empty wax cell inside the hive. And now begins the transformation. Bees fan their wings to create airflow in the hive. This warm air causes the water and nectar to slowly evaporate. Once the moisture drops below 20%, the nectar thickens and becomes honey. Then, the bees seal the cell with wax to protect it from moisture and spoilage. When the honey is ready, beekeepers remove full frames from the hive. The wax cappings are sliced off, and the frames are placed in a honey extractor. The extractor spins at high speed, using centrifugal force to pull honey out of the combs. The honey then collects at the bottom and is filtered to remove wax, pollen, and other debris. And the most amazing part? The wax used by bees to cap honey cells is the purest and cleanest, often used in premium skincare and cosmetic products. Allah or nature has placed great wisdom in this tiny creature, transforming flower nectar into sweet, golden honey. This is nothing short of a natural wonder. Let's value this system, this miracle, and the hardworking bees that make it possible. Thank you.